Hey, this is Brian with B-Stride DIY. I'm going to show you what to do if you get a yellow error, a yellow light error on your Nespresso Vertuo Plus. You go ahead and press it when you have that error. And I know it looks green in the video, but it's actually yellow. You'll get a red short blinking light after that. So one thing you may need to do is descale your machine. Now that's not what this video is about. I'll go ahead and put a link to how to descale it. So what I found that I needed to do here was I opened it up, and the little optical sensor, it's this little clear plastic area right here, was very dirty. So it's not able to read the barcode on the pod. So I took a Q-tip, I got it wet on both ends, and I went ahead and wiped it around just the bottom where this plastic cup is right here. And this took about 2 or 3 Q-tips. So I went ahead and did this, and as you can see, it's very dirty and right here in the back. And I was getting a little frustrated at first because I thought I had to descale this, but I just said, hey, let's go ahead and take a look because I know this issue can come up sometimes. So I went ahead and bent it to get all the way in the back. It's a little easier that way. And I put some more water on it and just kind of got down around the bottom here. You can see where the Q-tip is angled at here. It's just this little plastic ledge that gets all kinds of gunk on it. So I said, okay, let's go ahead and try it out now that it's cleaned off. Again, that took about 2 or 3 Q-tips. Go ahead and close it. And this is the Vertuo Plus machine. I went ahead and took her nice Bigfoot cup. Go ahead and turned it on here. And it went ahead and started up. So again, this is an error where it's a yellow light error. And then when you press it, it'll blink red twice. Now, other errors with an espresso machine is sometimes you have to unplug the machine and plug it for at least 15 seconds. Sometimes that'll reset the machine. If it's an earlier type of machine, like a Nespresso Vertuo Next, you can download the app and actually diagnose the problem that way. Or you may just need to go into clean mode. I have another video I'll link in the description about how to go into clean mode. And then, of course, descaling. I'll show you how to descale in this next video coming up. I hope this helped out, guys, and check out this next video.